Hi everyone, I'm you. Have you ever felt like you're fighting a government system that's just too confusing? You know there's help available, but you just can't seem to get to it. You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed by all the red tape and endless phone calls. The Commonwealth Home Support Programme (CHSP) is a government program designed to help you live safely and independently at home. In theory, it's a great lifeline. It has no income or assets test, and it offers a wide range of basic services. But the reality is, getting the help you need from the system can be a real headache. Even for people who speak English, the bureaucracy is a maze. It can feel like you're lost in endless phone calls, trying to find a service provider in your area who actually has availability. You find yourself waiting on hold only to be transferred to someone else, making countless calls to different providers just to find out they don't service your area, feeling frustrated and discouraged, thinking it's not even worth the effort. It's a system that's supposed to help, but often just adds more stress and confusion. This is where my team and I come in. We understand that you're tired of fighting the system. We've built a service to take on that fight for you and make it simple. We handle all the frustrating parts so you can get the help you deserve without the headache. Here's how we can help. We do the work. We handle all the calls and coordination for you. We'll find a provider in your area and set up your initial services. Expertise you can trust. We're experts in the CHSP system. We know who to call, what to ask, and how to cut through the red tape to get you results. Ongoing support, we don't just find a provider for you. We continue to follow up on the quality of the service, coordinate all appointments, and make sure you receive consistent quality care from the CHSP program. In short, we are your guide through the system. We take on the stress and frustration so you can get the help you need. Aging at home shouldn't be so hard. The CHSP program is a valuable resource, and my team's role is to make sure you can get that help easily and without any stress. If you need help with CHSP or have any questions about the application or finding a provider, please don't hesitate to contact me. We're here to provide professional support and make your life easier and more enjoyable. See you in the next video.